ang apat na sinasabing basic financial mistakes. Bakit di natin ma-achieve ang ating financial goals or investment goals natin? Kasi mali ang ating ginagawa. Unang mistake natin, lack of planning. If you do planning for wedding, di ba? Pinagpa-plan natin ang wedding, travel, fiesta, party, gimmick, lahat yung pinagpaplanuhan. Pero minsan, di ba, hindi natin napagpaplanuhan ang ating financial strategy or financial planning. So the first is lack of planning sa ating basic financial mistakes. Next one, sa ating financial mistake is no action. Lahat lang plano, walang action. They think they have a lot of time left to work on their dreams. Okay, Christmas, New Year, naglumampas na, graduation, Holy Week, vacation, enrollment, etc., fiesta, pandemic, with too many excuses, marami nang lumipas, hindi tayo nakapagawa ng action. Anong nangyari? Along the way, nga tayo, napang-iiwanan na tayo kasi lahat ng planning, walang action. Ang iba naman, they depend on someone else. The good thing with the IMG is that tayo dito sa IMG, tinuturuan tayo ng DIY or do it yourself. We empower people so that these people will be the one to manage their own finances. Ang ginagawa natin dito through training po, you become your own money manager. Kaya katulad ngayon, attend kayo ng first series ng Financial Foundation series, malalaman nyo dito na, okay, kaya ko naman pala. So we give you the system, we give you the platform, and we make you your own money manager. And lastly po sa basic financial mistake is lack of financial information and fail to upgrade the strategy. Bakit marami na scam? Bakit karamihan ng mga Pinoy hindi alam ang mutual fund? Bakit karamihan ng mga Pinoy hindi na-appreciate kagandahan ng healthcare at ng protection or insurance? Bakit? They don't understand. They lack financial information. Kaya ang mga Pinoy, mababa ang financial IQ. So ulitin natin, lack of planning, no action, depend on someone else, and lastly, lack of financial information. Okay po.